Greetings, how are you mortals? For today's video I want to make another nostalgic theme of my childhood, which is in Indonesia's double-decker. We called it bis Tingkat. It was a great transportation back then in the 80s, so for today's victim is a Hot Wheels trouble-decker. So let's get started. I don't like metal chassis, it will be hard to do a wheel swap, trust me. The rear tires is so big, but I think I'm gonna use a little bit smaller tires. As usual, a 4mm drill bit is your best friend. Since it has a plastic body, you need to drill it very slowly. Measuring for the details, so I can make a decal out of it later. Since I want to paint it white, I don't have to remove the livery, I just need to roughen the surface a bit for the paint to stick. Make a mask for the two red stripes. I need to cut the spoiler using an 8mm saw blade, so I can get a very similar shape of bis Tingkat. And smooth the surface with a file. Now make a mask to cover the white and then paint it with blue. Print the decal and coat it with a clear coat. Using a Diecast 9309 blue candy tone. Remove the masking tape carefully. Now for the part I don't like much, wheel swap on a metal chassis. Using a mini flathead screwdriver I try to pry open the axle hook. Since I'm using a transparent waterslide decal, I have to paint it with white first. Don't forget to clear coat it with diecast 9128. Let's assemble them back together. Yay, let's do a spinning shot. Wrap it up with a hologram paper, then laminate it with another hologram sticker. So after this you should all take a bath, but before that, let's we all subs, share, and comment. Don't do drugs, kids. Why? Well, it's either you dead or you're gonna get caught. The ending is never good. If you're looking for a bad ending, I suggest you watch any mystery movies that have aliens in the end. They never explain anything, but it was an alien all this time. Bye.